Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iMessage not sending on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you try to send iMessage to someone and it's showing an error, not delivered or unable to send or send failed, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly guys, make sure that you are connected with internet. So guys, you have to open control center and make sure that you have internet package if you are using mobile data, and if you are using Wi-Fi, just simply make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi properly, and then make sure that if airplane mode is turned off, just simply turn off airplane mode and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And once again just simply open setting and just simply you have to make sure that if iMessage tool is turned on, just simply turn on iMessage from here and then check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And once again there guys, then it means other person had no internet connection or his device is turned off or he has not device. Okay guys, and if he is connected with the internet and his device is turned on and still you are facing this type of error, then you have to open setting and try to update your device. Just simply go to software update, and if you have any pending update here, just simply update your device. So after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.